They said moi moi and pap, akamu, custard, what have you is for weekend. Is that true? I don't know, but you can decide. Welcome back to my kitchen where we make mouth-watering delicacy. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I make this yummy, delicious moi moi with pap. With no further ado, let's jump right into the video. And if today is your first time coming across this video, you're welcome. In here, I have white onions, atarodo fresh pepper, then I have real bell pepper, and also I have washed beans. I soak that overnight. But if you have a strong blender like bushy means, no need for you to soak that overnight. So I washed everything off the camera. I will also be using some boiled egg and mackerel fish which I cooked and deboned already. Next, I went ahead to blend all the things I will be using except the egg and the cooked mackerel fish I didn't blend. So I have everything blended on this bowl. So now I'll be adding just a little of stock, which is my chicken stock. That is optional. Then I'll go ahead to add some vegetable oil. I use sunflower oil. That is also optional. And now I'll go ahead to add salt and Maggi. Next, I'll be adding crayfish. This took this moi moi to another level. I know that some people does not like crayfish in their moi moi. This is also optional. Please go ahead to do you and enjoy your moi moi. I'll go ahead to just fluff this off and whisk this in order for some air to enter the moi moi. And if you have watched up to this moment, you haven't subscribed, please go ahead to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you. Now I will go ahead to take my fresh leaf. I'll just fold this up and then I will scoop two batters of the moi moi into the paper, and then I'll be adding fish, the mackerel fish and the egg, and then I will fold it up to seal it up. I later went ahead to put this inside nylon, inside cellophane, because I later find out that when I put it inside the pot, it was spilling out. So in order for me not to have a lot of it on my pot while cooking, I just went ahead to tie it into my cellophane. So guys, if you have watched up to this moment, please don't forget to share, don't forget to like, don't forget to leave your comment in the comment section. Now I'll be using pouch for moi moi. Guys, as I said before, it was spilling out of the fresh leaf I used to tie it. It was a little bit watery, so I went ahead to use moi moi pouch. If you have moi moi pouch, you can use anything you have, ceramic, foil paper, you can use it. So guys, just go ahead to do you. So I went ahead to scoop two of that into the pouch. I added my cooked egg and the cooked mackerel fish. Next, I will be adding this into the pot. As I said before, you can see that there's cellophane there, which I put into the pot already. I'm cooking it. So I cooked that for 45 to 50 minutes. So this is what we have. So what I did next was to uh, make my custard. You can use pap, akamu. Then I went ahead to just add some milk, evaporated milk into this. And guys, our moi moi and pap is ready. It was so yummy. It was so delicious and I really enjoy this moi moi. Since I've been making moi moi, this particular one is exceptional. Thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.